Hello everyone, welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. This is entry number 2 for my birthday challenge, and this comes from Tina Loves to Craft. And so she has sent me her business card. It says Tina Loves to Craft, professional crafter and Etsy owner shop owner. And those are her links. And I'll put them in the description box just in case you guys can't read that. So Tina, thank you so much for your entry. I really appreciate it. There is a bag with, it looks like, note cards in there, and they're so super cute. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. Look at that. They've got the little boots at the bottom, the Christmas boots, and it's got a string of lights going all the way around. And yes, they are note cards, and they have the envelopes to go with it. I love that. Easy to put in my stash and just grab one when I need it and send it in with my swaps. Thank you, Tina. I really appreciate that. And they're super duper cute. Okay, so like I said, guys, I have not looked at anything. And look at her sticker. Isn't that cute? That is so cute. So I did cut it open just to make it a little bit quicker to pull out. So I will do that. And there we go. Gosh, that's heavy. That is really heavy. So she put a little bow on here with this beautiful magenta and pink trim. That's so pretty. That is so pretty. You can use that on a tassel. So pretty. So we will be saving that. And we will open this. I don't know if it's the top or the bottom or what. Oh my. Okay guys, this certainly is different. Oh my god. Okay, now I remember. So Tina does she does a lot of resin. She does a lot of things with resin, and oh my gosh, guys, look at this. Oh, it is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, Tina. It is gorgeous. I'm so sure that the camera is not picking up the beautiful colors that are coming through. And on this bottom, it looks kind of 3D-ish to where some of the glitter is on top and some of the glitter is on the bottom. Oh my goodness, look at that, guys. Oh, that is so pretty, Tina. Oh my gosh. That is amazing. And that's why it's so heavy, guys, because it is resin. Oh my gosh. So she put flowers, a cluster of flowers here. And I think this is a door. And she put some trim here. She made a bow with some cream colored trim. She put flowers with blings in the center. She used pom-pom all the way around. She used this beautiful trim. I don't know if it's 1 or 2 trims, but see what she did to this trim, guys. That is pretty. My goodness, that is beautiful. Oh guys, I wish you could feel how heavy it actually is. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna open this up, and this is the hinge system, it looks like. It is. Oh my gosh, how cool is that? Look at that, guys. That is the hinge to the box. Oh my goodness. And it stops right there. How pretty is that? Oh my gosh. And then she, it looks like, I don't know if she inked the edges. I don't know how she did it, but it's got a, you know, inked edges, like a distressed looking edge. Wow, that is so pretty, Tina. Oh my gosh. Guys, I will definitely link her channel in the description box. This is just an amazing box. It really is. Oh my gosh, Tina. That's gorgeous. I'm going to take this out so we can see the box in its entirety. And hope I don't drop anything. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. Oh, I love that. And it is really sturdy and heavy. So that is so pretty. Oh my gosh, Tina, I am in love. Thank you so much. Wow, that's gorgeous. Okay, so I'm gonna set that aside for a second. And we're gonna go through the contents of her gorgeous box. So it looks like she put almost everything in an organza bag. So I'm gonna wait on that one, and I'm going to show you these beautiful embellishments. Look at that. Oh, she used the bottle caps, and she's got little images inside the bottle cap, followed by some resin. So the resin is on the top. How pretty. So she's got a bow on each one and some trim, and they are on this doily. And then it's got a crepe paper rosette, and it is stickled. And then it's got the bottle cap with an image in the center, and then it looks like resin on the top. That is so adorable. Oh my goodness. This one has the like the cocoa cups ready to go. So obviously she went with Pink Christmas. They are gorgeous. And this one is the little penguin. He's got his cute little hat on. Oh my goodness, she stickled the doily as well. Very pretty. Oh my gosh, this one has the little snowman. Love that little trim. The gold, it's gold. It's got a sequence right here and a bling right in the center. Oh my gosh, these are so adorable. Thank you, Tina. Oh my goodness, beautiful. And then she also, are these bag toppers? No. And then she made some more embellishments. Look at this. Look at that wagon with the tree on the top. She's folded some paper, put it on the back along with this ephemera piece. Again, she used the pink tulle. She used some eyelash trim. She used some of this really pretty pink trim. And then the blue one is here on the back. Very pretty. I can actually use these as bag toppers. Here's the other one, and this one you can really see the folded paper right here. So pretty. This one is the little deer with the wreath around his neck. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. And then this one says Merry Christmas. Oh, I love these. The more I think about it, the more I want to use them as bag toppers. So pretty. This one says Merry Christmas. Very pretty, Tina. Oh my gosh, thank you, lady. Those are gorgeous. And then in her bags, let me make sure, yeah. And then in her bags, she put some trim in her bags. Look at this one, has beautiful little butterflies, silver butterflies. That is so pretty. It's got silver butterflies and in a, several different sizes. That is so pretty. I love that little bag. And then she put some trim in here. She sent me some of the trim that she used on the box and on the embellishments. That's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to find something to put this on. All right, I'll put that back in there. And then she also included this other really pretty trim. It almost looks like a flower. Very pretty, very dainty. And it's got some, I don't know, silver thread in there, iridescent thread. It is sewn with there's some iridescent thread in there. So pretty. So she sent me that. Very pretty, Tina. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. So that was that bag. And then the next bag is a pretty cream color. This one has some pink eyelash trim. I'm not going to unravel it, but it's got some pink eyelash trim. Very pretty. Pretty. Love it. Thank you, Tina. Very pretty. And then this one, let's see what this other cream one has. Oh, how cute. This one has some tassels in it. Some beautiful pink tassels. Oh my gosh, those are pretty. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Oh, they feel so nice. And then she's got some embellishments. I'm going to call them embellishments because I don't know what else to call them. And they've got like a applique stitched in the middle. Wow, that is certainly very different. Very different. Love that. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. So I'm going to put those back into, I'm sure I'll find the perfect spot for that. So there's that one. And then here's this one. This is another eyelash trim. And this one is in a different shade of pink. This is a darker pink. Very pretty. I like the way they match. Very pretty. Love that. Thank you, Tina. And then in this one, she has got, oh, how cute. She's got a little key ring, and it's got some snowflakes, and this is a resin piece with iridescent. Oh, that's so pretty, with some iridescent glitter. Oh, that's cute. I like that. So pretty. I can make a dangle with this. Thank you, Tina. Love that. And then in this last bag, she has got, okay, a package of beads. These are so pretty. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Love them. Tina, you outdid yourself. Oh my gosh, you sent way too much, but I do appreciate it. I love everything. Thank you so much, especially the box. Oh my gosh, guys. I just want you to see how beautiful this box is once again. Oh, it is gorgeous. Love it. This one's gonna go on my dresser, I'm sure. All right, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I will talk to everyone later. Y'all have a great day, guys.